Can we have a group share what they did? We have a group come up and share what they did. Let's have Rosalind's group come up and show us how to find the length. And then we'll have Miles and Rohan come up to show us how to find the perimeter there. So one of you. What have you done? So as she works it out, Rose is going to be talking to us. What did you guys do? What did your group do? You guys try and see if you did the same things. Rohan.
Times the square root of 2 equals 10. And then we divide both of them by the square root of 2, which is x equals 10 over the square root of 2. But then multiply both of them by the square root of 2.
Why you multiplying both of them by square root 2?
Because the denominator can't be the square root.
Okay. The numerator cannot have a square root.
X equals 10 root 2 over 2. But because these have a common factor of 2, it can be simplified to x equals 5.
5 square root of 2. Very nice. Did every group do that? Do we agree with what you did? Okay. Could we have done it a different way? Suppose we forgot the pattern of the 45, 45, 90. Is there a method we could do to find the length? Okay. Could we have done a different way? So this is very good. We use the shortcut here. But suppose you had a test and you forgot the pattern of the 45, 45, 90. How would you find what x is equal to? Is there another way we could do it? What do you guys think? Is there another way we could do it? Galila. Sure, very good. By doing Pythagorean theorem. Can you come up and show us how? Let's help him out. So what's our A? Do we help him out? What's our A? Gonna be x squared. Very good. Wait. Let's look at it. So he's saying A is x squared. It's gonna be A squared. We agree? And then B squared is gonna be x squared as well. Very good. Okay. Alright, that's it. And you're like, okay, we can help him out. So he has x squared, and x squared is 10 squared. X squared plus x squared is 10 squared. Let me take it from there then. Anyone? So x squared and 10 is going to be equal to 100 there, right? How do we deal with this side then? What's x squared plus x squared? 2x squared. Very good. Then what? Mimi, what would I do next? Find x. I'm going to get x to be on its own. Very good. You're saying divide by 2, divide by 2. Right, and you get x squared is equal to what? 50. So x is equal to the square root of what? 50. And then, get it? Right, square root of 25 times the square root root 2, which gives us what? Which gives us 5 root 2. Very nice. Right? So we could do Pythagorean theorem. It just would take us longer, right? But compared to the shortcut, the 45, but it still works as well. Okay, so we know the legs now. Right? So Rohan and Miles, can you show us how we found the perimeter then? So we know this side is now 5 root 2, and this side is 5 root 2. So how do we find the perimeter?
Alright, so first, we add up all the sides.
Did you guys hear what he said? Julius, did you hear what he said? Or are all the sides?
And that, equals, so first you do 5 squared root 2, 5 times square root 2 is 5 times square root 2, which is 10 square root 2,
Louder?
plus 10, which is,
You guys hear what he said? Yeah, can you hear Jeff? We can't hear you.
you add 5 times the square root of 2 plus 5 times the square root of 2 to get 10 times the square root of 2, and then you add the 10. And then,
Why are you adding them separately?
because the square root of 2 doesn't separate them. They're not rational.
It's irrational, very good, right? He's saying the irrationality separates them because the other one does not have a square root of 2. Very nice. So final answer is C, right? Does it make sense, guys? So just like we talked about irrational things, thank you guys, right? If it has a square root and a square root, I can combine them together. Say 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 is like the same 5x plus 5x, or 5 apples plus 5 apples. So I can get 10 apples or 10 x's or 10 root 2. But the other one is irrational, so I can't combine them. So my answer just remains like that. Any questions about this? Alright, let's see our discussion questions then. Number 1 says, how can you prove or justify to a friend that in a 45-45 triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest? So this is for Casey's group now. Someone says, this is a 45-45 triangle, right? And you can tell them, I know for a fact that the hypotenuse will be the longer side. Why? How do you justify it? And you okay? How do you justify it? First of all, is it the longest side, guys? The hypotenuse? We do know it for a fact, but how can we prove it mathematically? Numerically? It's slowly. Right? So she's saying because of a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, right? Can you say more on that then? So being a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So then what? Why is c then bigger? Numerically, why is this then bigger than this? Each of these, check. Very good, yeah, because you're adding them up, right? If you're adding two things, the result has to be bigger than one of the original numbers, right? Very good. And then we said, is it true for any triangle? Right? Any right triangle, will that always work? We're saying this, guys. Will that always work, whatever angle you have in the triangle? Is it true? that work for any triangle or just for 45s? For any triangle, yeah, it does work. Pythagorean applies to any triangle, right? Alright. I also want you guys to realize or to say that notice that the hypotenuse is always your leg times what? Times square root of 2, right? Square root of 2 is about 1.4 units. So when you multiply something by 1.4, is it larger or smaller? It's always going to be larger, right? Alright. Let's derive the formula for the area of a square. If we know the diagonal then, we know the diagonal length there. What is this leg of the square going to be? How can you find it? Hasn't spoken yet. Okay, Mika, how can you find this? You know this is x. How can you find the leg? Yeah, very good. By dividing by the square root of 2, right? Then when we rationalize, we get x root 2 over what? Over. So this leg will always be x root 2 divided by 2. X root 2 divided by height. Then we can derive the area formula there. By just doing the length times. Okay, so your topic on delta math will pick up here tomorrow. And that discussion, the rest of the discussion will be the journal.